Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I get quite a lot in the past week or so, or the past few days at least, but in the past week, since we kind of started hinting that Windows 12 might be a thing, a lot of people are wondering, well, will I just skip over from Windows 10 to Windows 12? Should I just skip over? What should I do? This is a very personal issue here. It's more of a personal question of what you want on your PC or not than it is a decision to take based on anybody else's personal opinion. I'll put myself in a regular user if I would not be doing these videos and everything. I am an enthusiast, so I've always been a Windows enthusiast. I've always wanted the latest Windows. So as a enthusiast that enjoys trying new things and seeing new things, I definitely would have moved my machine to Windows 11 from Windows 10 as soon as it's available. So that would not have changed for me. And personally, I would move on to Windows 11, all the machines that can go to Windows 11. The question of moving on to Windows or waiting for Windows 12 is there's two things here. First of all, it's there's still a possibility that Windows 12 is not a thing, but it is probably. It's not going to arrive before 2024, which means you still have Windows 10, that's going to run without any problems until 2024. Should you jump the version to Windows 12 directly? I don't know, because first of all, remember Windows 12, whatever they'll do with Windows 12 will be a brand new operating system. We often hear, I always wait 6 months or a year before I jump to a new Windows version. So is it a good thing to wait until Windows 12 and just jump over Windows 11? Honestly, I think Windows 12 is going to be pretty much Windows 11, but with maybe a few tweaks and a few changes and some new features. But overall, it's going to be Windows 11, pretty much. The other thing is, how is Microsoft going to react with Windows 12? They've had now several way of going to free upgrades from the previous versions. I think they can't change that anymore. They'll have to offer it free for existing users. The question is, will they offer it free backwards compatible to Windows 10, meaning that if you're on Windows 10 and have all the minimum requirements, they're going to say, well, Windows 10 and 11 users can move on to Windows 12 for free. That is a possibility. There is also a possibility where they're going to say, oh, but, to go to Windows 12 for free, you'll have to be on Windows 11. That also is something that can be a possibility. I think it's up to you to decide, do you want to move on to Windows 11 and try it and be in Windows 11 for a while or not? Or else, you know what, if you're on Windows 10 and you're really happy, honestly, personally, I don't see why you should move on. If you are happy with Windows 10, it works great, it does what you want, perfect. Just stay there, and when time comes, if the upgrade process is something you want to do, and if Windows 12 becomes something in 2024, you'll see how the upgrade process works. Chances are Windows 10 will be one of the systems that can upgrade. And anyways, we still have a couple of years, before all of this happens. So it's more of a personal thing. Do you want to stay to Windows 10 because it's stable, it works, it does what you want? It's fine. You're curious? Well, you can move on to Windows 11 and try it out. And Windows 12 will be there eventually. And both Windows 10 and Windows 11 users, you'll see what Windows 12 is all about if it arrives in 2024. Just, go with your gut feeling of what you want. I know enthusiasts move on. Maybe you're not totally an enthusiast, but you're curious. Well, you can stay on Windows 10, see how things go, and if you decide to jump to Windows 11, you'll do it. And or else, just wait, and we'll see what the future brings and what 2024, 2025 what we'll have. It's still 2 to 3 years from now. Although it's not that long away, it's still a couple of years. So you'll have time to see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.